and welcome back to techystack channel. Before moving to our topic, if not subscribe the channel, please subscribe, share and like the video. And if you have any doubts, please mention in comment section. Today we'll try to explore RPA challenge number 10. So as of now, I'm not able to visit this website. I'm not sure what is the issue on this. So I have the document for that. So let me open the screenshot. And this is challenge number 10. So the bot name is pie chart bot creator. So develop a pie chart bot creator response from the Excel. So they given the one Excel file. So this is the Excel file. Already I have downloaded this Excel file. And now we need to create a pie chart here. So let me open that Excel file. And here just we need to create the pie chart. So let me try to do normally. So this is a pie chart. So I just created. So this is done. And next step is provide that given Excel. Okay, converted the Word document to PDF. So once this is done, this enter the data we need to take and put it into the Word document. Once that is putting in one document, after that Word document save it to the PDF file. So that is the thing. So we'll try to explore now. Back to the Uipath Studio, and the first step is we need to open Excel file. So for that, I'm taking Excel application scope. Excel application scope. Here I'm passing the path. So updating the path. So once this Excel file is open, then I need to click on the pie chart. So next I'm taking here click activity. So let me open that Excel file here. Now next I will just click on the insert option. Taking click activity. So click on the insert button. Let me check the selector how it's look like. And here I will just change couple of things. I'm going to the Open UI Explorer and just I will modify the unnecessary things. I will just remove this everything. And here I'm removing the pie chart creator Excel file as I make it as star, and that's it. Let me validate and highlight it. Okay, it's able to highlight. And once you click on that insert option, we need to go and click on the pie chart. So again, taking the one more click activity, indicating screen. So I will just click it here. So before moving that, I want to check whether how the activity is clicked here. Let me try to run only the first step. I need to see how it's click exactly. Okay, it's fine. It's clicking as I expected. And once that is done, next we need to click on the pie chart. So we can select any pie chart. As of now, I go with the 3D pie chart or this normal first one. So you can go anything is fine. Let me select. So you can go anyone is fine. As of now, I'm going this first one. Okay. Let me put it inside of this. And let me check what type of selectors is available. If you want, you can modify the selectors as per the requirement. As of now, I'm not modifying anything here. Let it be. So once this is created, so we need to copy that chart and put it, paste it into the Excel. Sorry, not in the Excel. We need to update same data into the Word document. If you want, you can select anything is fine from here. If you want to go more, let me remove this. Okay, let me I take in this chart. Okay, this is done. So after I need to right click on this and copy, and I need to open the Word document and paste it. Once that is done, I need to save into the PDF format. So I need to click on the one more right click. So I need to click it here. And here that my click is right click. Let me go and select the click type is One moment, I need to select the mouse button is right. So once this is done, and next step is need to copy. So again, one more click activity. So I need to copy this data. So click on the copy option. Now this is done. So once that is done, and next step is we need to update the data into the Word document. Taking Word document activities. If this Word document activity is not visible, then go to the manage packages and try to install the Uipath.word document.activities. So now taking the Word application scope, and I will take the same path and pass it here. Okay. Let me take the path here again. This is the path, and at the end, I will make it as DOCX. This is the extension of a Word document. Now it will open. Once it is open, we need to click. I mean, we need to paste for that. So for that purpose, I will take the click activity. Let me open the Word document first. So it's open the Word document here. I mean, still it's opening. Okay, it's open Word document. Now next, I need to click and paste it here. So let me do that activity as well. So indicating the screen here, and here we need to click right click. Let me go and change here, right click, and next is we need to click on paste option. This one I will take. Click on paste. So it's completed. Now let me put it extra positions here. And once this is done, so we need to save that file as into the PDF. So for that, again, I go to the Word document activities. So here we can see that save Word document as PDF. So I will take the same path, and here I will paste it. And at the end, PDF, that's it. So PDF is the extension to save the PDF file. So now all the steps were completed. Let me close this and this Excel file as well. And I'm running this part. We'll see how it will works. Let me run it. So Excel file opened, and it's created a a chart. Okay, here right click activity is not working. Okay, I don't know why it's not. Instead of that right click, it's clicking the enter the pie chart. Okay, we'll do one more thing here. Instead of that right click activities, let me stop this bot, and I will pass the send hotkeys. Okay, here I'm taking a send hotkeys, and I will just indicate it on that screen. Let me take to the Excel, and I will indicate on this here, and I will press Control C just for the copy. So here I'm sending a hotkeys, and then it will copy the data. Control, and here the key is C. Let me go for the C. Okay, it's not there. Then I will pass a C. Control plus C. And here I will remove this. Okay, let me run how it will work again. We'll see that. I will put the debug point here, running this bot again. It's open the Excel file and create the pie chart, and it's selected and copy the data. And next it's open this and paste the data. Okay, I clicked that manually. Let me run enter in one more time. It's working fine. I'm removing this debug point as well. And as of now, I'm not sending any mail. So sending mail activity, you can update here. So returning the bot again. And the same activities is performing. It's copy the data and opening the Word document. There it's open and selected, and it's not clicking on the paste option. Okay, this option is okay. Let me wait. Okay, it's having some issue. So we need to re-indicate that element. I'm opening the Word document. Let me re-indicate that again. Okay, it's not validating. So that's the reason it's not clicking that option. Or else you can take here control plus V also, it's fine. So anyway, it's working fine. So that's why I'm taking as control, I mean, normal activity. Okay, that's fine. And we'll see finally whether it will work or not. Here the thing is we need to run a bot multiple times because we don't know what type of activities will work exactly. So we need to check and we need to run it. Then only we can able to achieve it. Okay, still it's having the issue. So I don't know why it's not selecting this option. Let me record it again. I'm taking the new activity, click activity, and let me select this. Okay. Finally, I selected it and removing the down part, and we'll see whether this time it will work end to end or it will throw any errors. Yeah, it's successfully creating that pie chart, but don't know whether now it will update the data into the Word document or not. Okay, finally it's updated. Now I'm going back to the UiPath Studio and I will run the final step as well. So it's completed. Now I'm going to this particular folder and I will check whether that PDF file is available. Okay, the PDF file is available and I'm opening this PDF file and we can see the data here. So this is one of the method we can achieve it. The same thing we can do in VBA as well. In VBA, I'm not going to the all three steps. So I will just created the pie chart. So once I created the pie chart, I will don't go to the Word document directly. I will save the file to the PDF format. So as of now, I will created the pie chart into the second sheet. So already I have built some code here. So I will explain the code. So the first step is, so this is a sample and so these are the procedures which I declare. And I'm just want to create the pie chart into the second sheet. For that, I declare. And after that active chart, I'm setting the source. So here my source is in the data is in sheet one. So and I selected the source. So from A1 to B12. So I selected the source. So after that, I created one declaration here, sheet 2. So this sheet 2 only I need to create a PDF file. So and once this is done, I taken the path normally here and I will export the enter the format into the PDF. So now I'm going the step by step code. So I'm going the debug mode. So one moment, why it's happening is because we need to activate the sheet 2. So if you not activate the sheet 2, it won't work properly. So let me run it from scratch again. So it's created the pie chart and after that, it will export the data into the PDF format. So to avoid that error in future, so just take this and this workbook dot sheets of sheet 2 dot activate. You can give that. So dot select or activate. Activate is better. Now everything is done. I'm going to the location folder and we'll see the output how it likes. So this is a sheet 2 I have created and we can see the output in PDF format. So this is another method which we can achieve with the VBA code. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, make sure to hit that like button, share with your friends, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to turn off notifications so you never miss an upload.